Kala mo talaga ako yung may ano eh, may birthday eh. Yan na, tumahimik na. Yo! Okay, what's next? Who is it knocking? Hello! Oy, ikaw ba? Ay, si Paulol! What's up, Paulol? Okay, okay. May narinig ako kuryente. Ayun siya! What the freak? Hey! What's up sa inyo mga kalabaw? Ako nga pala si Jonas, sa mas kilala ninyong JNS. At welcome na naman sa panibagong gameplay na kung saan maglaro tayo ng Battle of Sickness. Siguro dito sa game na to mga kalabaw, I have no literal idea yet, pero sa tingin ko yung battle dito magkakaroon ng sakit. Pero wala na tayo patutpik-tutpik pa mga kalabaw, at kung bago kayo dito sa ating channel, please huwag nyo kakalimutan ngayon yung ating like and subscribe button, at wala na tayong patutpik-tutpik pa, inulit ko na naman! Ha! Let's go! Alright, let's play this game! Battle of Sickness! Baka nga nagkakasakit yung ano, yung bot. Ayoko na, joke lang yun, joke lang. Okay, I like the music na naman. Day 42 of lockdown, or maybe 45, I've lost count. Uy, lockdown si Idol. The entire area was restricted, mandatory work from home orders. The apartment is quiet, too quiet. Just the electric buzz and the hiss of the prototype. Boss said this project was priority, like a fool. I agreed. I always bury myself in work. It's my only coping mechanism. But this model, there's something wrong with it. Uy, ano yun? Sometimes I catch myself staring at it, wishing it was her sitting there instead. I haven't seen her in a month. Not really, not in person. I promised her I would quit the booze and the smoke, but old habits die hard. Yun talaga, maybe siya si Idol. She's not here anyway. Huh, what's the meaning of that? I need to finish this. There's a few more adjustments. Sino kayang tinutukoy niya dito, no? Oy! Lapit! Oy, wait lang. Pares kami ng keyboard. Ito. Q to stand up. Paano kung ayoko? Ayaw! Ayaw, call! Ayaw! Ha? 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 Joke lang ito. May kumatok. Oy! What the frick? May robot! May robot boys. Ay, boys. Mga kalabaw. Okay. Wait lang. Silipin muna natin yung bowl. Malinis! Okay, pindutin natin tong pintuan. Ah! Hello? What the frick? Okay, tapos read ko muna. Doon tayo sa may... Dito na tayo. Baka mamaya may sumilip eh. Wag naman. Clock ticking. You want to see her again? Then stop staring and start working. Clean the frame, scrub away the excess material with the sprayer. Do not leave a single trace of residue. Our client pays for perfection, not degradation. Finish it, then meet me at the bar. I have something for you. M. Who's M? Okay, the frame was leaking too much oil. I need to clean it up. Where? I need the sprayer and the canvas. Where? Find the cleaning kit. Where's the cleaning kit? Huh? Nasaan yung cleaning kit? Nasa CR? Ayan, pwede pala tumakbo. Ito. Ito pick up. Putik yan. Cleaning kit yan. Dumi. Oh, find the cleaning kit. Ito, hawak ko na loads. The frick? Ito. Hehe. Sorry. Clean the stain around the frame. Saan frame? Ito ba? Ooh. Okay. Ito. Spray ka sa akin loads. Hold, yan. Punas, sige. Punasan mo. Huwag ka mahihiya. Hold. Kailangan i-hold. Hold right mouse button. Okay. Okay. Kailangan ko lumingon habang naglilinis. Ito. Hindi ko na kailangan gumalaw. Ito pala. Kailangan ko pang gumalaw. Nabo ang na-loads. Right mouse button. Okay. Masyado kasi nadumihan. Bakit mo kasi dinumihan, Lods? Bakit naman? Okay, clean the stain around the frame. Na naman? Ito. Ito. Ang tanong, paano siya nagkaroon ng dumi? What is the meaning of this? Ito. Okay, punas lang. Sige, huwag kang pumulas na. Huwag kang mahiya. Yan, sige. Pero ang ganda ng ambience ng game I like the style. Yung may pagka-retro. Meet the boss at the bar. Okay, iwan ko muna to. Hindi mo mapatay yung computer, ha? Mamaya ba magkaroon ng dito, kakaibang kwan, sunog ba? Sunog. Hoy, bakit pabalik? Okay, sarado. Oy, I like the place ba? Ang crispy loads ah. Pero I like it. Yung nga, sabi ko nga, yung style nung atmosphere nung game. Ganda. Yung pagka-retro siya na pixelated. Kahit hindi siya ganun ka high quality. Ang ganda ng ang ganda nung tawag dito, style. Ito pala yung bar, lapit lang. Hoy, open 24 hours. What's up, boss? Kalbo? Kalbo! Kalbo! Wait lang. Sige, boss muna. Si boss muna, si boss. What's up, boss? You look terrible. Sit down. Sit muna daw ako. Need to talk. How are you holding up? May problema ba tong karakter ko? Mari? Mari ba yun? Ay, ibang game pala yun, sorry. I'm fine, just tired. Did you finish the maintenance? The frame? Was it messy? I cleaned the stains. It wasn't easy to get off. You did good work. We can have a dirty prototype. Our customer won't like it. Wait lang. Parang may naisip na ako dito. Sige, pagputulin muna natin dito. Once this is over, you have more time with your girl. I know you miss her. I promise. I'll be in touch. Don't forget to keep your mouth shut. Here, take this. They'll keep you head clear. Now beat it. Hawak mo ang beat. Q, stand up. Wait lang. Thank you, boss. Pwede kong ganunin yung ulo. Wait lang, kausapin ko muna to. I'll see you around. Yun lang! To, lasing na to, boss. May problema ka ba, boss? Open mo lang sa mga paligid mo dyan. Bahala ka na dyan. Hey, you forgot something. Hoy. Ano naman ang pakalimutan ko? Itong pills. Hoy, oo nga. Gamot nga, gamot. Uy! Si Da Vinci. Joke lang, hindi. Joke lang, hindi. Alright, balik muna tayo sa ating place. Ito si Nguksa. Nguksa. Tapos ang aking Trakbaki. Trakbaki. Alright. Wala siyang sprint. Nag-ship ako. Ay, meron pala. Pahiya. Hey stranger, finally crawled out of your cave. Taong bahay. Parang ako lang. I can tell. You seem quiet. I've been kinda busy. Anyway, just chilling here if you need a break. Ang bait. By the way, who were those guys in suits lurking around your door earlier? There was no one. You should cut back on the smokes. It's starting to get mess with your head. Could have sworn I saw them. Catch you later, man. May pumasok sa bahay natin. Tsaka talagang tropa talaga to eh. Tropa eh. Pinapabalik tayo sa ating pag-i-smoke. Hello. Take pills. Take pills. May ba siya? May dementia ba siya? Can I tell already? Ay, hindi pala dementia. Oh, yun na. Natutulog na. I need to sleep. Okay, ito. Sleep. Pinindot ko na. Yan. A to sleep. Oy! Birthday ko? What the frick? Ay! Who's this girl? Sorry to cut the chase. Pero sa tingin ko, ito yung robot. Sorry sa mga may spoiler dyan. If ever tama ang aking chori ba? Chori. Ito yung robot panigurado. Sa tingin ko lang Happy birthday, stranger. Dahlia. Hello, Dahlia. Is it today? I lost track of time. I'm sorry. Yung nga, baka may pagka-demensya to si Idol. Dahlia, don't apologize. Look at you. Those eyes. You look like hell. It's like the project. It's demanding. But I'm close. I'm making it perfect for us. You always carry everyone's weight, but your own, don't you? The company, the bills, me. You're not the weight. You're not a weight. You are the reason everything I do is to buy us a future. A future or an escape. Both. Just this one last job, then I'm done. No more calls, no more overtime, just you and me. Shh. Just stop promising, you stubborn fool. Just be here right now. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. Oh, panaginip? Your hands are shaking. I'm just tired, but your hands Why are they so cold? Because you haven't warmed me up yet, but you will. I trust you. Warm me up. Now, make a wish. Nag-wish na ba? Blue candle. Sana makilala na ako sa YouTube. Magkaroon ako ng 1 million followers next year. Kala mo talaga ako yung may birthday eh. Yan na, tumahimik na. Yo! Yung nga yung residue. Yung sinasabi ko nga. What the frick ko ba? Yo, what is this? Oh, yun nga oh. Yun nga oh. Hey, cute, stand up. Hello. Wait lang, who's this? Hello. Na naman, wala namang kumakatok. Okay na. Yo, ba't hindi ko ma-pick up? Yan, Q. Yo, wag mo palabasin. Pinapalabas mo na naman ako eh. Gay na. R to read. Dito muna ako sa sulok. The cleaning was acceptable. The chase looks stable. Now, the arm, the grips, the sensors are misaligned. The unit is applying too much force. It keeps crushing the test subject. We need to suffer touch, a human touch. Find your screwdriver, tune the hand panel, calibrate the tension until the response is gentle. Do not damage the wiring, it is sensitive. M. Si boss ba to? Grip strength, right. You were always clumsy. Ito yun. Ito yung babae. Hydraulics are so much steadier, don't you think? Find the screwdriver. Screwdriver. Mo sabihin nasa CR na naman ha. I think it's in here. No. Wala. Pag ako talaga nilapitan mo na, iyak ako. Find the screwdriver. Wala ang screwdriver ba? Yun. Search. Yun. Check the hand. Calibrate. Just a small adjustment. Okay. 1 2. Oh! 1 2. Ow! 1 2. Ow! 2 3 4. Ang galing ko! I'll make you perfect. Oh. I read too much. Nagkaroon na naman siya ng residue. Find the cleaning kit. Pagtutumayo. Hindi. Nakikripihan ako, Lods. Gagrab ako neto. Pustaan. Hindi. Okay, what's next? Who is it knocking? Hello? Oy, ikaw ba? Ay, si Paulol! What's up, Paulol? Puti ka, mamimit na nga kita. Puti, dito pa sa laro. Finally, I was about to kick the door down. The neighbor! Si Paulol nga! Can I help you? Look man, I know you're busy doing your hermit scientist thing. I respect the hustle, really. But the smell, it's violating the Geneva Convention out here. Did you fridge die? It's just chemical waste from my work. I spilled some chemicals. Wow, okay, Mr. White. Breaking Bad reference? Question mark. As long as you're not blowing us up. Things up kasi. Clean it up. Take out the trash. Catch you later. Thank you so much, Paulul. Wait lang, kunin ko na to. He's gone. What a nosy guy. But he's right. The air is heavy. It must be the bio-waste bags. The failed tissue samples, they are degrading fast. 3 bags, just take them to the dumpster downstairs. Take out the trash. Bawal ba isa lahatin na? Gay na. Dapat ito muna iunon ako. Dapat hinuhuli yung nasa hulihan. Hindi yung nasa unahan, which is yung malapit. Ito. Yo! G-drop. Take a trash, 1 out of 3. Takot ako, baka biglang tumayo to si Idol. Kung muna tatayo ha. Takot ako eh. Takti itong pintuang to. Pwede ba mag-shortcut? Bawal. G, loads. Take out the trash, 2 out of 3. Okay, unti na lang ba? Nakatayo ka ba? Hindi! Wag muna! I'm scared! Legit, I'm scared ba? Okay, okay. May narinig ako kuryente. Ayun siya! What the freak? Sige, lapitan na kita dahil babae ka. Hello? Who's the... Dahlia? When did you get back? Why didn't you tell me? I thought you were... Question mark. Is that really you? Uh-huh. You're standing so still, Dahlia. Are you okay? Why aren't you answering me? Please, say something. Ayan na. Gigil na si Idol! Hayop ka! Ay, nagkakaroon na siya ng hallucination. I need my meds. Where's your freaking meds? Return to your room. E. Take pills. Ha, ha, ha. Ha. Oo, babagsak ka, Lods. Nasa sulok ka lang, hindi sa mihigaan. Gay na, Lods, gay na. Pero legit ako'y naiinitan at sobrang init. Hehe. You know, meeting you was like a beautiful dream I never wanted to wake up from. Before you came, I didn't believe in love. I thought I was destined to stay trapped in the dark swamp forever. You showed me that happiness truly is. You made me believe that I actually deserve wonderful things. Oh, kaso nga lang, robot siya. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for the times of true thrawlessness caused you pain. Kasi pinanggagamitan lang siya ng ibang tao. Now, even if everything around us changes, even if this world fades into empty, white nothingness. Naging subject lang siya sa mga gusto ng tao. My love for you remain exactly the same. Forever, I'm still here right beside you. Naging ginawa siyang fantasy. If I'm right with my words. Oh, pwede nang lumingon. Dito ba ako? O, didiretso lang ako. Yo! It's so crispy! Nakatingin siya dito, so dito ako didiretso. If I'm right. Yun, may nakikita ako dito ayun, subtle person standing far away. Pero ang lungkot nung nung message na itong larong to isang tao na parang isang robot lang naman siya. Tulad siya ng Detroit yung robot, which is soon lalaroin ko. Kung gusto niyo yung maglaro ako nun, please comment kayo sa baba. Pero ito, nalapitan ko na si Delia. What's up, Delia? Oh, wala na. So sad. Ang deep na itong larong to. Yun na, bumagsak na lang kasi siya sa isang pwesto Nagkaroon na siya ng parang na-overfatigue. Hindi, naano siya. Ang tawag yun, sobrang sakit na ng ulo. Migraine na yun. My head. What time is it? I need to see that guy. Meet the boss at the bar. Basta pagbalik ko, nakatayo na siya dito na naman. Ito yun, pinaglakaran ko kaninang umaga. Crispy kasi hayop, kahit wala siyang hindi siya yung, alam mo yung may mararamdaman ng jump scare. Pero wala siyang scary atmosphere, if I'm right. Boss, ano na naman ginawa mo sa aking robot ba? What are you doing here? I want out. I'm done with this. The illusion, the thing in my room, it feels wrong. I can't finish it. Right or wrong are just contents created by humans for every simple reason. To ensure the favorable reproduction and maintenance of life. Oh, wise words! Pero ayaw, baliw ka. The contradiction is that everything we've known, heard and seen is merely an illusion born from that very consequence. Humans give themselves a big ego and classify everything according to a certain standard. I don't care what nonsense you are talking about. I'm not touching that machine again. Nag-hallucinate siya, Lods! Look at your hands. Do you really think they belong to you? They are just tools, wetware, acting out a blueprint that was drawn long before you were born. The machine wants to be here. You are just the door. It walks out through. I am leaving. You want out of the loop? You want up the loop? Fine. Life is a simulation of suffering. Ay nako, patuloy-tuloy pa rin siya nagbibigay ng mga advices ba. Why the need of the hell when it's already happening? Hoy, bad yun, bawal. Here, your payment. Pak! I don't want this thing. I just wanna end this. That's up to you. But entropy demands closure. What you mean? Synchronize its optics, make it look at you, truly look at you. And then it's over. Deliver the package. I will come to collect the remains. Then you can't go back to sleep. Then you can back to sleep forever. Finish and pack the part. Okay, babalik na naman tayo sa kanya. Which is, pustahan, nakaabang na naman yan sa aking pintuan. Eto na naman tayo mga kalabaw. Wait lang. Ano, nakatayo ka? Hindi siya nakatayo ba? Finish the pack. Nakatayo na naman siya. Nakatayo ba siya? Hindi. Pick up drill. To, drill. Detach arm. Gagalaw to pustahan. Gagalaw to. Pack the arm. Pack the arm into the box. Where's the box? Where's the freaking box? Ito ba? Saan yung box? Ito. Synchronize the eyes. Synchronize. Just one last thing. I'm going to miss you. Oh, look at me. Yan. Binabalanse ko. Yun. Looks like it's done. They will take good care of you from now on. Deliver the package. Lods, please wag ka munang gagalaw ha. Ayoko na. Alis na ako, uwi na ako. Ay! Okay, dala-dala ko yung kamay niya, Lods. Mga kalabaw pala. Okay, bibili ko muna. Hala, nagsarado! Ay, kala ko nagsarado. Ito na yung boss, yung bagong tao niya siguro. Sorry, we are close. Did you see the guy in the suit? He's gone, left a while ago. You don't look so good. The meds are wearing off, aren't they? What meds? How do you know? Listen to me. This was your choice. You walk down this path yourself. We don't need that camera in your room no more. We got what we needed. Camera? I'm taking the box. Just go before you collapse right here. Go home. Thank you so much, my idol. Puti ka, nakangiti ka pa. Ito na. This is the final. What happened? What's all this about? Ayan na. My head. Ayan na. Babagsak na naman siya. Hindi ako sanay na ito yung nilalaro ko. Mas more on ano pa ako. Horror. Pero horror din naman kasi to. Pero ang sinasabi ko is yung, alam mo yung story. Actually may story to. Pero mas napifeel ko yung, masyado kasi siyang malalim eh. Dark na siya masyado. Pero if you know what I mean, yun ang gusto ko ipunto. Dito muna ako titingin. Di ko kaya tumingin sa screen ko. Joke lang. Pinutol ko yung kamay niya. No, stay with me. Stay with me! Mayore, copyright. Stay with me. The leak, it won't stop. What have I done? I tried to repair you. I didn't make you whole. I just emptied you out. Please, don't look at me like that. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. So sad. No! W game, guys! W game. Grabe, inaano ako dun. Pinuwisan ako dun kahit naka-aircon ako. Ganun kadip yung larong to, hayop. Pero shoutout dito sa gumawa ng game na to, napakalupit. And sana kung nag-enjoy kayo dito, please huwag kalimutan gawin natin like and subscribe button. At kung gusto nyo pa ng ganitong game, mag-comment kayo sa ating comment section kung anong gusto nyong game na gusto nyo pa palaruin para sa akin. And wala lang masasabi dito sa game na to. Ewan ko kung mag-leave na lang ako sa comment section ng game. Parang review ko sa game, pero sa ngayon, ewan ko kung nararamdaman ko, pero yun na nga, no. Uli ako nga pala si Jonas, mas kilalanin yung JNS na nag-iwan sa katagaan na nagnangaloyan Lods! And see you next gameplay. Bye-bye! Bye-bye mga kalabaw.
Ikaw ay nakalabaw, lamaw, lamaw, lamaw. Ikaw ay nakalabaw, lamaw, lamaw, lamaw. Ikaw ay nakalabaw, lamaw, lamaw. Ikaw ay nakalabaw, lamaw, lamaw, lamaw.